Virginia, and we're running a camp thanks to Jumpstart. It is a Fencing 101 camp. We're going to work with our students for 8 weeks in total. We're going to give them a chance to try fencing. Specifically, we're going to do saber fencing, thanks to the Ontario Fencing Association, who sponsored us and given us a whole whack of wonderful gear. The town of Georgina is nice to thank as well, because they are giving us a facility. They're working with us in that, and they also help with registration, which is great.
Willing to do all of the warm-ups. They seem to understand that the warm-up is to get the body ready so that there's less risk of injury, and they're very focused, and they're really keen.